Hello everyone, BaBenche here. Today I'll be unboxing and showing you my new power supply, the Be Quiet Straight Power 12 1000 watts. It's a premium 80 plus platinum certified PSU designed for high efficiency and low noise. What's in the box? First thing what we see is the cables, and wow, they feel really high quality and heavy. They weigh around 1 kilogram. Here what you get: one main 24-pin cable for the motherboard, two 8-pin CPU power cables, four 8-pin GPU cables, and one 12VH power cable. This one looks awesome, really fire. It's actually my first time seeing 12VH power cable, and it's surprisingly small. Just for comparison, here what it looks like next to a regular 8-pin cable. Now here is the PSU itself. It's really heavy. It weighs around 2 kilograms. The build quality is excellent. It uses a Be Quiet fan, which lifts up a company name. It's super quiet. Installation. I installed it into my Antec Flux case, a large case with plenty space for the cable management. The PSU fits perfectly, like it was made for this case. Cable management behind the motherboard tray isn't perfect, but from the front side everything looks clean and tidy. The system I am using right now is i7-12700KF and GTX 1070. You might think that 1000 watts PSU is overkill for this setup, and you're right. But keep in mind, I am using the system for testing and comparing GPUs, and in the future I plan to use more powerful GPUs. In games, everything works fine. Under high load using OCCT and overclocked GTX 1070 Informark, the system draws about 500 watts from the socket, which is only half of the PSU capacity. 12 volts rail stability. At idle we see 12.240 volts. Under full load it drops slightly to 12.024 volts. For comparison, my old PSU used to drop to 11.3 volts under high load. This is really huge improvement. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you next time!